Right, hello everyone and welcome to my 2009 crop circle video number 1. Anybody can't understand my accent, go to cropcircleconnector.com or the links at the side there. And anybody doesn't believe in crop circles, I think will know by the 7th of July. A very interesting season so far in 2009. Crop circles began appearing as early as April. So we'll take a brief look at some of them and see what the crack is. The first one appeared on the 29th of April in a field at Roundway Hill, and it was a field of oilseed rape. And they seem to be giving us an astronomy lesson here. This is depicting the plane of the solar ecliptic, how the planets orbit about the sun when viewed from above. So you can see the design there and all the planets and their concentric rings and stuff. The next one appeared at Bishop's Kenny. Again, a very interesting formation. It's the 24th of May. And what it depicts is a moon crossing over and under the plane of the solar ecliptic once a month. So you can see the lesson here. They're showing us the ecliptic, then they're showing us the relation of the planets to the solar ecliptic, now they're showing us the relation of the moon to the solar ecliptic. Okay, so there's something going on interesting about the solar ecliptic. Then at Windmill Hill on the 25th of May, another one comes up depicting the solar ecliptic again and the relationship of the moon to the solar ecliptic. And it all seems to be pointing to July the 7th, the full moon on July the 7th. That's the date. It's giving you all the other moons, but it seems to be pointing very importantly to July the 7th for some reason. So they're suggesting maybe something could happen. It's a date worth noting anyway. So as the moon orbits the earth, it ducks and dives under the plane of the ecliptic. It wobbles up and down. Right? So once every 6 months the moon crosses the plane of the ecliptic when it's in line with the earth and the sun. This makes a penumbral eclipse, which isn't really a big deal as it can't really be seen from the earth, because it's during the full moon and it's whatever anyway, it's no big deal, but it happens every 6 months. But these boys who have done this crop circle seem to be making a big deal about it, because they're pointing to this July the 7th as being a significant event. So there's the astronomy lesson, and it all points to July the 7th. Then this 600-foot monster appeared in a field at Wayland Smithy on the 29th of May. Again, pointing to the significant date of the 7th of July. Look at the Vesica Pisces, everything there, and it seems to be implying that there's going to be some kind of a big zapper from the sun coming our direction. So if there's a big blast of solar wind, it forms that jellyfish shape. And again, telling us the date of the blast of solar wind is the 7th of July. It's depicting that Earth Moon thing 7 times. There's 7 streamers coming out of it. And the Vesica Pisces, and it seems to be like the Stargate lined up in the middle of it anyway. I'm optimistic. I don't think Chas and Dave were doing them crop circles somehow. But we'll know on the 7th of July. That's the crack with it.